We're glad you've chosen to visit Larry Under Pressure. In this quick video, Larry will be sharing his invention he calls waffle cakes. They're easily and quickly cooked in the Dash Mini Grill and share positive qualities of both waffles and pancakes. Let's get started and watch him demonstrate how to make them.
Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I'm Larry at Larry Under Pressure, and today, yes sir, we're fixing waffle cakes. Bet you've never heard of them. Bet nobody else has either because I invented them, and they're really good. I made some cornbread a few days ago and used the same technique in the Dash Mini Grill for fixing the cornbread, and I had several of the people who subscribe to the channel ask about if you could do pancakes or waffles the same way, and I said, well, yes you can. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. And I call them waffle cakes because they're kind of a hybrid between waffles and pancakes. They've got the crispier exterior than a pancake, but the smoother, doughier interior like a pancake. And the combination of the two is really, really good. So I thought I'd share it with all of you and see what you think. We've preheated the dash, and we're going to go ahead and put some spray on it, and I'm using the butter flavored Walmart non-stick spray. And then I have a little bowl of pancake batter that I've mixed up, and I'm going to use about 3 of these big spoonfuls of it in there. On the Dash Mini Grill, there's 1, 2, and 3. We're going to close that down and let it cook for 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll take another look at it. Our first waffle cake has been cooking now for about 4.5 minutes. Let's open it up, and yes, it's nice and golden brown, just like we liked it. We're going to turn it over and look at the other side, which is usually a little darker, and it looks really, really good. In fact, it looks so good, let's make another one so we'll have better pictures for our thumbnail and more to show and a little more for me to eat. Going to put a couple spoons of batter, close down the top on the Dash Mini Grill, and we'll let it cook for about another 4 to 5 minutes. It's time to check our second waffle cake and see how it looks. Nice and browned. I'm going to unplug the Dash Mini Grill, get that loose, and let's check the other side. As usual, the underside's a little more done than the top side. So there you have it, delicious waffle cakes. Let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit on that. You can see how they look. These are really delicious. They're real easy to do. You can do a lot with them. You can add some fruit to them, some blueberries. I like them with raisins. You can add some pieces of peach or pieces of strawberries and bake them in the mini grill, and they come out real, real good. Add a little bit of syrup or honey or butter to them, or a fruit spread, and they just couldn't be much better. If you've enjoyed the video, we'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel by clicking the little red box on the bottom right-hand side of your screen or in the information below. And also, please leave comments, suggestions, criticisms, or some things you might do differently to make these even better, and down below in the space provided for that. We're always glad to have you and appreciate you joining. If you're interested in buying one of these little grills, there's also an Amazon purchase link below where you can purchase it. They usually run about $9 or $10, so usually a little less than $10. So it's a heck of a deal. And there are 3 or 4 different styles. This particular one is the grill with the ridges. Thank you again, and we'll see you on the next video.
We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've enjoyed producing it. Please subscribe, share, and like below. It really helps the channel. In addition, if you are interested in purchasing a mini grill, you'll find a purchase link below as well. Until our next video, happy cooking. Take care.